Visarga is known as ha in Sanskrit. Ha. And how do we pronounce that Visarga? Srimai, listen. Huh? Okay. What is preceding that Visarga? What is behind that Visarga? According to that, we take Visarga's meaning. Visarga's ha shabda. If like Rama ha, so what is preceding before Visarga? Rama. In that ma plus a is there. That is why we say ha. If Ramaha is the word, then we will not say Ramaha. Are you getting it? Ramaha, we will not say. We will say Ramaha because before Visarga, Rama, ma plus I is there. That is why. Like Hari, E is there. That is why we will say Harihi. Small things.
Excuse me. Excuse
Yes.
me. I joined late because I had a class of Casio.
No problem. No problem. Okay. Rules. We are just recapping. Visarga, when Visarga is followed by sh, like Om Shantish, then Visarga we will pronounce as sh. Okay. Om Shantish, Shantish, Shantihi. So Visarga is followed by Shanti word, sh. Second rule, when Visarga is followed by p or f, then we'll pronounce that Visarga as f, like O Purnamadah or Tataf Padam Tat. Everywhere, anywhere, when Visarga is followed by p and f, Visarga is to be pronounced as f. Okay. What was the another rule we saw? Okay, this much. Another. When Visarga is followed by k and k, if we have not seen, we'll see again. Visarga, when it is followed by k and k, then that Visarga we will pronounce as k. We don't say dukha because du plus Visarga and k is there. That is why dukha. Okay, antahkaranam. Generally, we all say antahkaranam. No, that is wrong pronunciation. Antahkaranam. That Visarga k is following antah plus karanam. You can see here. Huh? Otherwise, I will be talking. Huh. You see. Antah. Here I will try how. Huh. When when Visarga is followed by k and k, that time happening. Just a minute. छोटे छोटे रूल है जिससे प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे हो जाते हैं, मजा भी आता है चैंटिंग में, वरना मजा नहीं आता है. ओके. When Visarga is followed by k and k, then Visarga will be pronounced as k. Like many places, out of them one I will show. Antahkaranam. Like this is anta and Visarga is there. And next word is karana. Okay. Karana. So this Visarga is followed by k. That is why Visarga has to be pronounced as k. Okay. Here I will show you where it is. Actually, you should tell me, but I will show you. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayuh Kamartha Siddhaye. You can write here, you can circle this Visarga and below, above you can write K. Okay. Srimai, you have to practice more. Okay. ठीक है. चलो एक एक जन बोलो.
भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांतिः.
Wonderful. First day she could not chant, and now I can see you have practiced. I can
Yes.
see then. There is one saying in Marathi. केल्याने होत आहे आधी केलेची पाहिजे. If you start pursuing that, it will happen. It will come to you. If you don't pursue, then nothing will happen. Tukaram Maharaj gives one example that small root, it enters in a hard rock. Have you seen ever? Sometimes you see small, very delicate root, it enters into that stone. How? Because every day little bit growing and going inside. Okay, chalo koi baat nahi. Very good. Srimay, second also appreciated.
Yes. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः.
Awesome. Need more iterations. Okay, but fine. It is very sorry, you are unmuting. I am unmuting. Okay, it is very
Yes.
growth is very nice. Appreciated.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, who will do? Ghananam, Pavitra ji.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नूदिभिः सीदसादनम्.
Wow. Om Shri Mahaganapate Namah. ठीक है. Now one.
ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः.
प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुः कामात् सिद्धये.
Okay. Only rule just now we saw Visarga. Amma said properly. Visarga is followed by Ka and Kha. Then Visarga has to be pronounced as Ayuk Kamartha Siddhaye. Okay. Who is after A?
Sir, I am also A.
Chalo.
Sir, what
Second line. Second. Prathamam.
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं.
Very nice. Who is next? Yes. P, right?
Muktesh Raghavan.
Okay, I
it's
thought
not
it is
Muktesh. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Lambodaram panchamam cha shashtam vikatamev cha saptamam vignarajendram dhumravarnam tatashtamam.
Okay. A little bit information about this. This is called Anushtup Chanda. Which Chanda? Anushtup Chanda. I will write here.
Okay.
Anushtup. Because rules are there. Everywhere rules are there, and we don't like to follow rule anywhere. School, college, house. This is Anushtup Chanda. Okay. Chanda means meter. Like Gayatri Chanda, Anushtup Chanda. Okay. Anushtup Chanda is what, Raghavanji? After 8 letters, you have to stop. 4 quarters will be there. After 8 letters, you have to stop. See now here, 3 plus 5 and this 8. So, Prathamam Vakratundam Cha. Okay.
Then you have
Then Ekadantam. How do you count 5? This Halanta is not count. Now you will say now here 9 are there. No. बराबर 8 ही होंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Anywhere if one matra is there extra, shloka will be wrong. Okay, so this is Anushtup Chanda. Whole Gita is in 2 chanda only, Anushtup and Trishtup. Okay.
So that means Lambodaram Panchamam Cha Shashtam Vikatameva Cha. That is right. Saptamam Vikna Rajendram Dhumna Varnam Tatashtamam.
Yes. Very good. Who is next?
Me.
नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
Okay. Shaitani Namani. Yes, come on, try. Dvadashaitani Namani.
Dwa.
Yes, you put that.
Yes.
Dvadashaitani Namani.
Dvadashaitani namani.
Trisandhyam yah pathe narah. Trisandhyam yah pathe narah. Trisandhyam. Sandhya means 3 times. Trisandhyam yah pathe narah.
Yah pathe narah.
Nacha vigna bhayam tasya.
Nacha
vigna bhayam tasya. Sarva siddhikarah prabhuhu. Very nice. Chalo. So here you have to put forth effort. Okay. Bindu Sindhu.
Sabindu Sindhu.
Suskalat.
Suskalak.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat.
Sabindu Sindhu Suswalak. Suskalak.
Sabindu. Everybody has to chant in mute. Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat.
Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat. Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat. Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Taranga Bhanga.
Bhanga Ranjitam.
Very good. Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat. Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat. Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Dvishatsu Papa Jata.
Dishvatsu Papa Jata.
Dvishatsu Papa Jata.
Dishvatsu Papa Jata.
Kadivari Sanyutam.
Kadivari Sanyutam.
Dvishatsu Papa Jata. Kadivari Sanyutam.
Dvishatsu Papa Jata. Kadivari Sanyutam.
Sabindu Sindhu Suskalat. Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
Sabindu Sindhu Suswarat Suskalat Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam.
द्विषत्सु पापजात जातकादिवारि संयुतम्
द्विषत्सु पापजात जातकादिवारि संयुतम्
कृतान्तदूतकालभूत
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 भीतिहारिवर्मदे
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 कृतान्तदूतकालभूत भीतिहारिवर्मदे
कृतान्तदूतकालभूत भीतिहारिवर्मदे
त्वदीयपादपङ्कजम्
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 नमामि देवि नर्मदे
नमामि देवि नर्मदे
त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे
त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे
तदम्बुलीनदीनमीन
नदी
हाँ दीन मीन words are see how Shankaracharya is playing तदम्बुलीन दीनमीन
तदम्बुलीनदीनमीन
दिव्य संप्रदायकं
दिव्ययं
दिव्य संप्रदायकं
दिव्यसम्प्रदायकम्
very nice तदम्बुलीन दीनमीन दिव्य संप्रदायकं
वदम्बुलीनदीनमीन दिव्यसम्प्रदायकम्.
this increases our attention also. Each word you have to see closely and chant. Half ma, full ma, dot, everything.
I was
Rasva.
actually not able to chant, but then I chanted.
Okay. You have to pay attention. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. त्वदम्बुलीन दीनमीन दिव्य संप्रदायकं
त्वदम्बुलीनदीनमीन दिव्यसम्प्रदायकम्.
कलौमलौघभारहारि
कलौमलौधभारहारी.
I will ask anybody to chant because all are learning at a time simultaneously. कलौमलौघभारहारि
कलौमलौघभारहारी.
See, कलौ मलौ मतलब कलयुग में जो मल है अघ मीन्स पाप भारहारी सबका भार जो है बर्डन उसको नष्ट करने वाली तीर्थ नायकम जो तीर्थों की राजा नायक मतलब जो मेन होता है हीरो उस टाइप में कलौमलौघ भारहारी
कलौमलौधभारहारी.
सर्वतीर्थनायकम
Can you repeat?
सर्वतीर्थनायकम
सर्वतीर्थनायकम्.
कलौमलौघ भारहारि सर्वतीर्थनायकम
कलौमलौधभारहारी सर्वतीर्थनायकम्.
once again want perfectly now this कलौमलौघ भारहारि सर्वतीर्थनायकम
कलौमलौघभारहारी सर्वतीर्थनायकम्.
next line you see beauty of words सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र
सुमच्छ कच्छ नत्र चत्र
नक्र चक्र
नक्र चक्र
सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र
सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र.
so see, you see, confusion I understood. Okay, where is confusion? This k plus r becomes kr. Okay, but this font is different, but this is standard font. Okay, you will find this k and r. How will you pronounce kr? Like we say kramena. Okay, krama, kramanka. वैसे ही. But when you write this kr, it will be like this kr. So nakra chakra. Okay. सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र
सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र
वाक चक्र शर्मदे
वाक चक्र शर्मदे
वाक चक्र शर्मदे
वाक चक्र शर्मदे
त्वदीय पाद पंकजं नमामि देवी नर्मदे
त्वदीय पाद
okay wait त्वदीय पाद पंकजं
त्वदीय पाद पंकजं
नमामि देवी नर्मदे
नमामि देवी नर्मदे.
I will tell you something. When we see this big stotram, we say, oh my God, I am gone now. Good news is what you know? Last line is repeated in every stanza. So how many stanzas are there? Narmada Ashtakam means 8 stanzas. And how many lines? 4 line means, okay, 4 line each stanza is having. So when we understand or chant one line, 25% of work is done. Are you getting it? 100% stotram is there. One line, if you understand, each stanza will have one line. So 25% work is already done. So 75, we have to work. Okay. Sumaccha kaccha nakra chakra vaka chakra sharmade.
सुमच्छ कच्छ नक्र चक्र वाक चक्र शर्मदे
त्वदीय पाद पंकजं नमामि देवी नर्मदे
त्वदीय पाद पंकजं नमामि देवी नर्मदे.
Okay, now bit difficult, but what to do? Last one will Mahagabhira Nirapura.
महागभीर नीरपूर.
Srimai will chant fourth one. Okay, third one Pavitra ji will chant. Okay. Mahagabhira Nirapura.
महागभीर नीरपूर.
पापधूत भूतलम्
पापधूत भूतलम्.
महागभीर नीरपूर पापधूत भूतलम्.
महागभीर नीरपूर पापधूत भूतलम्.
ध्वनत्समस्तपातका
ध्वनत्समस्तपातका.
ध्वनत्समस्तपातकारी.
ध्वनत्समस्तपातकारी.
So wherever we pause, in the beginning you can have little pencil and mark some mark there. So otherwise first attempt you can't chant full.
Yes.
That is why breakup also is important. And breakup is not anywhere. It is with meaning and with words. Dhvanatsamastapātakāri.
Dhvanatsamastapātakāri.
Daritapadāchalam.
दारितापदाचलम्
ध्वनः समस्तपातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
वनत्समस्तपातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
Okay. Okay, last this line will repeat again. ध्वनत् समस्तपातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
वनत्समस्तपातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
Okay, we have time. If you don't understand in some word, some phrase, you can ask in between also. Okay. Okay. महागभीर नीरपूर पापधूत भूतलम्
महागभीर नीरपूर पापधूत भूतलम्
ध्वनत् समस्त पातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
वनत्समस्तपातकारि दारितापदाचलम्
जगल्लये महाभये
जगल्लये महाभये
जगल्लये महाभये
जगल्लये महाभये
मृकण्डुसूनु
मृकण्डुसूनु
this tongue twisting word. मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यदे
मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यते
so this is Vani Shuddhi. Pronunciation slowly will be very clear and confident. Okay. Mrukandusunu harmyade.
मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यदे.
See, if you are new, very slow you can go. Jagallaye mahabhaye mrukandusunu harmyade. Because we are not very fast in the beginning. Once you are on track, you can go. Okay. Jagallaye mahabhaye.
जगल्लये महाभये
मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यदे.
मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यदे.
See my chanta, this very you see. But now, not now, in mute only. Mrukandusunu harmyade.
मृकण्डुसूनु हर्म्यदे.
This is 20%, 25%. त्वदीय पाद पंकजं नमामि देवी नर्मदे.
त्वदीय पाद पंकजं नमामि देवी नर्मदे.
Okay, now our Shrimai, and then Anandji also is there. Gatam tadaiva me bhayam.
Gatam twadima me bhayam.
Very good. Gatam tadaiva me bhayam.
Gatam twadiya me bhayam.
One word. Tadaiva. Gatam tadaiva me bhayam. And let there be mistakes.
Gatam twadiva me bhayam.
Twadambu
Twadambu
vikshitam yada.
Vikshitam yada.
Twadambu vikshitam yada.
Twadambu vikshitam baya.
Yada.
Yada.
Okay, 70% is okay now. Again. Gatam tadaiva me bhayam.
Gatam twadiva me bhayam.
Twadambu vikshitam yada.
Twadambu vikshitam yada.
Mrukandu.
Mrukandu.
Very good. Mrukandu sunu shaunaka.
Mrukandu Sunu Shauraka.
Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka.
Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka.
If you can make out this word, Stotram is fine, clear, because Mrukundu is a bit difficult. Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka.
Mrukanda Sunu Shauraka.
Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka.
Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka.
Surari Sevitam Sada.
Sudari Sevi Santada.
Surari Sevitam
Surari Sevitam.
Sada.
Tada.
Surari Sevitam Sada.
Suraviseri Santuda.
Surari. Surari
Surari.
Sevitam Sada.
Surari
Yes.
Sevi Sarma.
Sevitam Sada.
Sevitam Sada.
Very good, very good. Keep it up. Punarbhavabdhi.
Punarmavabdhi.
Punarbhavabdhi.
Punarbhavabdhi.
Janmajam.
Janmajam.
Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam.
Punarmavabdhi Janmajan.
Very good. Janmajam. We say jumps like that jump. Punarbhavadi Janmajam.
Punarmavadhi Janmajam.
Bhava means, you know what bhava? Bhava means samsara and abdhi means sagar. Okay. So punarbhavabdhi. Bhavabdhi. Okay.
Punarbhavabdhi.
Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam.
Punarmavabdhi Janmajan.
It is not ma. Ma nahi hai. Bha hai, bha. Bhakta. That bha. Okay. Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam.
Punarmavabdhi Janmojan.
Janmajam.
Janmajam.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha.
Very good. Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade.
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 Here you see now Visarga is followed by kha. Then Visarga's pronouns will be kha. Dukkha. Okay, more clear is dukkha. Dukkha is also okay. Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam.
Punarmavabdhi Janmajam.
Didi, this is bha. B-H-A. Bha. Like how you are saying here Bhavabdhi. Same way here also. Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam.
Punarbhavabdhi Janmojan.
Janmajam.
Janmajam.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade.
Bhavabdhi Dukkha Swarmade.
Varmade.
Varmade.
Tvadiya Pada Pankajam.
Tvadiya Pada Pankajam.
Namami Devi Narmade.
Namami Devi Narmade.
Tvadiya Pada Pankajam. Namami Devi Narmade.
Tvadiya Padi Pankajam.
Namami.
Akshara and when I was studying in the second stanza, I had a network issue and I was not able to hear you neatly. So I didn't get the first stanza.
First stanza, okay. First stanza, okay. Who will chant now? Who chanted second one?
Sir, me only Akshara.
You chanted second one, so no. First somebody else will chant. Okay, Okay, you just see in 2-3 minutes I will chant all. Now 200% attention. Why 200? 2 years. That is why 200. Okay, all of you see how am I chanting. Other disturbances should be stopped. See, Sabindu Sindhu Suskhalat Taranga Bhanga Ranjitam Dvishatsu Papajat Jataka Divari Sanyutam Krutanta Duta Kala Bhuta Bhiti Hari Varmade Twadīya Pada Pankajam Namami Devi Narmade Twadambulina Dina Mina Divya Sampradayakam Kalau Malaugha Bharahari Sarvatirthanayakam Sumachakacha Nakra Chakravaka Chakra Sharmade Twadīya Pada Pankajam Namami Devi Narmade Mahagabhira Nirapura Papadhuta Bhutalam Dvanat Samasta Patakari Daritaapadachalam Jagallaye Mahabhaye Mrukandu Sunu Harmyade Twadīya Pada Pankajam Namami Devi Narmade Gatam Tadaiva Me Bhayam Twadambu Vikshitam Yada Mrukandu Sunu Shaunaka Surari Sevitam Sada Punarbhavabdhi Janmajam Bhavabdhi Dukkha Varmade Twadīya Pada Pankajam Namami Devi Narmade Twadīya Pada Pankajam Namami Devi Narmade. First is listening. How you listen. Whatever you listen, same will come out. Okay, so Shravanam is first. Those who are having problems in chanting, they can write down this stotram. I am telling you, you will be improving slowly because words are very compact. So if you are having difficulty, very difficulty in chanting, you write down all stotras. Okay, this has been practiced and then propagated. Okay. So now who will chant first? 4 we have to chant voluntarily. Mistakes doesn't matter because 25% only you have learned. Need bravery. Yes, Arunamma.
The first one, na?
Yes.
Swabindu Sindhu
Suskhalat.
Subindu Sindhu Suskalat Taranga Bhangar Ranjitam
Dvishatsu Papa Jata
Dishastu Papa Jata Taka.
See, Dvishatsu Papa Jata.
Dishastu Papa Jata Kadivaris Sanyutam.
Wow. Next. Krutanta Duta
Kala Bhuta Bhiti Hari Varmade
Twadīya Pada Pankajam
Namami Devi Narmade.
50% is covered because practice is done. Voluntarily. Come on. When you do mistakes, you will learn more.
त्वदम्बुलीनदीनमीनदिव्यसम्प्रदायकं कलौमलौघभारहारि सर्वतीर्थनायकं सुमच्चकच्च नक्रचक्रवाकचक्रशर्मदे त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे.
Oh, you want poetry in Sanskrit now? Who will? Third one. Anybody? Okay. Anandji, we want you to try, but at the end, okay?
Okay.
Akshara, third one.
महागबीरनीर
Okay, चलेगा. Yes.
महागबीरनीरपूरपापदूतभूतलं ध्वनत्समस्तपातकारिदारितापदाचलं जगल्लये महाभये मृकुण्डसुन्नु हर्मध्ये त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे.
Only small, wonderfully chanted. Mrukando sunu, su is dirgha. Okay, otherwise nicely, very nicely you chanted. Okay, thank you. Fourth one, now Akshara you chant.
Yes. Tatam tadaiva me bhayam tvadambu vikshitam yada mukandu sunashu shaunaka.
All of you listen, this is a bit difficult. Mrukandu, you can stop here. Mrukandu sunu shaunaka. Sunu shaunaka. Mrukandu sunu shaunaka. Surari sevitam sada. Try.
Mrukandu sunu shaunaka. Surari sevitam sada.
Next. Punarbhavabdhijanmajam.
Punarbhavabdhijanmajam bhavabdhidukha varmade tvadiyapadapangkajam namami devi narmade.
Okay. Who can have even more bravery to chant fifth one? अरे यहाँ पे कोई सजा नहीं है ना कोई अवार्ड है.
I will try.
Somewhere we have to open up.
Alakshya lakshya kinnarama rasuradi pujitam tulakshyanira tira dhira pakshilakshya kujitam vasishta shishta pippaladi kardamadi sharmade त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे.
See, one parent called me and he said, what should I do so that my child excels everybody? So we need to give freedom, always enjoying so many things. You do this, do that, do in that way. Not a single scientist was created like that. Scientists were very free. You give them freedom to think, freedom to do some things. Not all things, there also Vivek is required, but she could chant very nicely. Chalo, one more. डरो मत, पहले तो डर निकालना है. आनंद जी.
Yes.
Yeah.
सनत कुमार नाचिकेत कश्यपात्रिशत्पदै द्रुतै स्वकीय मानसेषु नारदादिशेषपदै रविन्दुरन्ति देवदेव राजकर्म शर्मदे त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे.
Wonderful. Only one thing. See here. If Rama Shabda is written, Rama, this we have seen earlier, Rama, Visarga is this two dot, one below the other is called Ha in Sanskrit.
Mhm.
Agar what is preceded here, what is before Ha Visarga? A. That is why we will say this Visarga as Ha. Okay? Because Rama Ha. Why Ha? Because in that Ma, Ha is there. Okay, fine. Here you come now. Rama Ha. Now here not Ha, here Ha. Why? Because before Visarga, A is there. Okay. Now
Okay.
you see here, before Visarga, I is there. I. So what will be the pronunciation? Hai. Getting it?
Yes.
Ha, Visarga, Ha, before A, Hai, this. Now you see, Sanat Kumar Nachiketa Kashyapatrishat Padaihi Dhrutam Swakiyamanesu Naradadishatpadaihi. Bit difficult. We are going to see that next time. But I wanted to, open up yourself. And this is actually bad habit that you teach first and then I will learn. How many stotras a person can teach you? You have to learn the methodology, how he is teaching and how words are formed, rules. Then you can chant any stotra. See, I have not learned this stotram, but how to read, when to stop, where to take pauses, that we know. The same way we'll give only that skill. Not all stotram will teach you. Skill is given. So before Visarga, how to pronounce. If Sha is following, how to pronounce. If Fa is following, how to pronounce. That once is in your hand, you can chant any stotram, Gita, even Upanishad. See, first day we taught Swarit, Anudatta, Udatta. If you know this, any suktam you can chant. So basic is important. Foundation we can build on. Chalo.
त्वदम्बुलीन
Deenam.
त्वदम्बुलीन दीनमीन दिव्यसम्प्रदायकं कलौमलौघ भारहारि सर्वतीर्थनायकं
Wow.
सुमच्चकच्चनक्रचक्रवक्रचक्र शर्मदे त्वदीयपादपङ्कजं नमामि देवि नर्मदे.
Okay, somebody asked you, have you learned Narmada Ashtakam? Yes. So what Tvadiya Pada Pankajam means? Devi Narmade. Means, hey Narmade, it is a vocative case, Narmade and Devi. Hey Devi Narmade, Tvadiya, yours only. Pada Pankajam, your feet. It is like how Pankajam means, Panka means Kichad and Jam means Jayate. That which bonds in Kichad. Kichad means slush, mud. How is the feet of our Narmada Nadi? Like lotus feet. So this line, if you know, that is itself is enough. Tvadiya means yours only. Lotus feet. I will namami. I will bow down. Hey Devi Narmade. Sumacha means nice fishes are there in that. Kacha means turtle. Nakra means crocodile. Now chakra, vaka chakra, you find out. Okay.
नमामि नमामि देवि नर्मदे